Shri Parasakthi Vidyalaya Cbse Class 6th Subject Biology.
Good morning to all. Dear student, all are listen carefully. The previous session you finish your fourth book back exercise, fourth one, the 5 fill-ups. All are finished? Okay. Then now today you take your note, biology note or science note. Okay. One side ruled, then another one side unruled science note. In question in your note, you write the first page, you enter your name, class, section. Then you turn the second page, you write the heading and date also. Okay. Write the heading and date also. Write the today date, the heading, food, where does it come from? Okay, heading, food, where does it come from? Then you write all this question in a black pen and write the answer blue pen. Okay, you write the question answer, use black pen only, and write the answer only blue pen. Okay, all are understand? Okay, now you write clearly and correctly. Okay, the first question, do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? First question you write, do you, black color pen, do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? Okay, this is a question. Answer, no. All living beings do not need the same kind of food. For example, green plants can prepare their own food. Buffaloes and cows eat grass and grains. Cat feed on birds, rat and milk. Lizard eat small insect. Lion and tigers eat their other animals. Tigers eat other animals. So, all living beings need the same kind of food. No. Okay. ஒவ்வொரு அனிமலும் ஒவ்வொரு இதில் தனக்கு தேவையான உணவை எடுத்துக்கொள்ளுது. அதுக்கு ஏற்ற அடாப்டேஷனோடு அது இருக்குது. ஓகேயா? ஸோ the first line, all living beings do not need the same kind of food. அதுக்கு எல்லா லிவிங் பீயிங்கும் ஒன்று போல உணவு உட்கொள்ளாது. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், கிரீன் பிளான்ட்ஸ், கிரீன் பச்சை தாவரங்கள் ப்ரிப்பேர் தயர் ஓன் ஃபுட்டு, தனக்கு தேவையான உணவை தானே தயாரித்துக்கொள்ளுது. பஃபலோ அண்டு கவுஸ், எருமை மாடு அண்ட் ஆல்சோ மாடு, இதெல்லாமே என்ன பண்ணுது, எதை சாப்பிடுது? கிராஸ் அண்டு கிரெயின்ஸ், தானியங்களையும் புல்லையும் சாப்பிடுது. கேட்டு ஃபீடு பேர்டு, கேட்டு பூனை பேர்ட்ஸு, ரேட்டு எல்லாம் சாப்பிடுது. அடுத்தாக்கில் மில்க் ஆல்சோ. Then lizard, lizard means பல்லி, eat a small insect, சின்ன சின்ன பூச்சிகளை சாப்பிடும். Lion and tiger eat other animal, lion and tiger எது சாப்பிடுது? மற்ற விலங்கினங்களை எடுத்து சாப்பிடுது. ஸோ ஒவ்வொரு அனிமலும் ஒவ்வொரு தனக்கு தேவையான உணவை வெவ்வேறு விதமாக எடுத்துக்கொள்ளுது. அதனால் எல்லா லிவிங் பீயிங்குமே ஒரே சேம் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் ஃபுட்டை எடுக்காது. வேரியேஷன் கைண்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஃபுட். ஓகே, the first question is finish. All you understand? Okay, student, all are finished the first question. Then you goes to second question. Number 2, Name 5 plants and their parts that we eat. Right. Second question. Name 5 plants and their parts that we eat. Answer. Write the answer. You see that first, above the picture, you draw a tabulation. Name of plant, heading, name of plant and edible parts. First one, mustard. The edible parts are leaves, flowers and seeds. Second one, soya beans. Edible part is seeds. Third one, ginger. The edible part is stem. Fourth one is tomato. The edible part is fruits. Fifth one, mango. The edible part is fruits. Okay. Listen carefully. The first one, plant name mustard. Mustard plant la irukra which parts are edibles? Leaves, flowers and seeds are used for ingredients for making their food. Okay. Then soya beans, you already know that soya beans. In soya beans the seed part is used. What's that meaning? Edible. The eatable part is called edibles. Okay. Then ginger. In ginger the stem is modified. That part is edible one. Okay. Tomato. Tomato means takkali. Ginger means inji. Okay. Tomato. Tomato la the fruit part is edible one. Okay. In mango the fruit part is edible. Okay. All are listen carefully. You see that the above picture and draw the tabulation clearly and neatly. Okay. 5 plant name and 5 edible parts. Okay. This session you write only 2 questions. First question and second question. Next session we write the another 2 questions. Okay. We will write the another 2 questions. Things to think about. Okay. 2 more questions. We will make page number 7. Okay. You write clearly and correctly in your note. Okay. Thank you.